Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 17th, 2022. We have here three puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyber block, and this one is a 3 stars sorry, correction, 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, 4 stars Sudoku number 5342. 5342. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that every time, because sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright, we have here 3 twos. No, again 4 twos. Alright, 4 threes. 1 2 3. Okay, we have here 1 4, 2 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 1 2 8s, and 1 9. So the ones, the twos, the threes are in majority. Alright, can I start with the one? Yes, the one in this row, the one in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the one should be here or there. We see a 1 in first column, no one there. 1 should be here. 1 1. Okay, 1 1. Now I cannot continue with the 1. I need more information. How about the twos then? The twos. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have for 2 in this row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 now I cannot continue with the 2. I need more information to continue. How about the 3s then? 3 3 3 3 3. No, I cannot continue with the 3. Back to the 1 then. Yeah, 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this column, middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Can I continue with 2? No. Still need more information. Can I continue with the 3? No. Alright, so I need to continue with the other number. How about the 6 in this row? First row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 6 should be there. 7, 8, 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 5 missing numbers. Sorry, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and 8. We have a 9 and 8 in the second row, so no 9 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8. Let me mark those 9 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and 6 and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 4. The other 2 numbers in the second row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3. Oh, no, 3. Yeah, 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the middle row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3. 3, 3. And a 3, 3. Yes. In the middle column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, here, or there, here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in the middle column should be there. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Can I count? No, I cannot count the 3's. Need to wait. Okay, 7, 7. 7, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, no. And how about the 3, 3, 3, 3, 3? No. How about the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, 2. Need 2, 2. And here, yeah. We have a 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 2. And 3, nope. 3 still cannot continue with the 3. Need to find a way. How about the 7, 7? Nope. 8, 8. Well, we have here 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 9 and a 4, 9 and a 4. That means we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and 8. So this box, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. All right. We have a pair. 3 and 8 in the first row. 3 and 8 in the second row. So on the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 5, 5. All right. And now. Still. The 3, okay. The 7, the 4. I'm thinking. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 in this box. Here, 5 in the third column. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be here. 5 in the last row. 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. I want a 7 now. Yes, 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 4. Well, we have a 7 now in this column, third column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Can I count the 7s? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row, so the row between the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Well, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4. Still cannot continue with the 3. See, I see. 1 box left in this column, the middle column, for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is oh, we have a 6 already. What a mistake. Double check. Not the 6, but the, I believe, the 9. Okay. Yeah. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9. Yes, correct. The 9. Then 2. Oh, 9 and 4. We already have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So last column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column. 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Can I continue with the 3? No, I still cannot continue with the 3. 1 box left in this third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 and 8. We have an 8 here in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. Is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars then? No. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on for the rest of the puzzles in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.